Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Huawei Nova 13 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on Samsung and App Gallery on Huawei. Then you need to download free app called Send Anywhere on both, and when it's ready, launch it. Following that, you need to set it up. Let's start with Samsung. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. Then whatever you want to in the pop-up. Following that, you need to tap on your device's display and select Send at the bottom left corner. Now on Huawei, hit I accept, confirm, continue, allow, tap on Receive right next to Send and then tap on whatever you want to in two pop-ups. Then going back to Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. Now hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, and if you can see an ad, you can tap on Allow in the pop-up right away. Now point your device's camera at the code and wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!